Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Windows KB5 update error code. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar and then go ahead and type in settings. Now once the settings is open, you can go ahead and make your way over to system. From system, scroll down until you see troubleshoot. Now once you see troubleshoot, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on other troubleshooters, and you want to look for the Windows Update one. Now once you find the Windows Update troubleshoot, you want to go ahead and select run, and you want to basically just let it run for your computer. And once it is done running, it will tell you like the error code. It will it'll basically just run a diagnostics and it'll exactly see what is wrong with your error code, and then that will also help fix the issue. Now if you do come across the screen, just go ahead and choose whichever one you are experiencing. And once that is done, like this is you click this one, go ahead and run the updated diagnostic, and then that will also fix the issue. Now I highly recommend restarting your PC right after as well, because that will also fix the issue. And once you guys are done with that, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.